everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel. And if you don't know who I am, I'm a Nordstrom beauty stylist. I don't work for any brands, but I'm teaching people how to do a makeup. And today I bring to you Trish McEvoy holiday set. It's amazing. Of course, it's already on me. I'm gonna teach you step by step how I create this look. But look at this amazing deal. Look at this beautiful compact. It's only $98. And what do we have here? Amazing deal. We have a beautiful compact, we have a mirror here, we have transparent powder, we have two blushes here, we have a bronze here, and it's refillable. When you finish, you can come back to a Nordstrom Trish McEvoy counter and pick your blush, or if you want, you can buy same blush. Then it's not everything. We have another secret, I will say, page here. You have here another for eyeshadow. We have here like two sparkles, or like maybe like three sparkles, little purple with like little bit gold peachy top. Just so pretty. And we have matte eyeshadows here. I love matte eyeshadow. After 40, I like to use matte eyeshadow because it still keeps me young and pretty. Let's start this video. Love you more than ice cream. Give me a thumbs up. Let me show you how I create this beautiful look. Before makeup, I'm gonna take care of my skin. Today we're gonna use Clarity Corrector Dark Spot Solution, and this is serum for discoloration and pigmentation, and it's very hard rated product. I'm just gonna try this and see if it's work or not, but then I'm gonna use one of my favorite moisturizer right now, Natura Base, and Natura Base, it's a high-end spa brand, and you can see it's have little bit colors. This moisturizer you will use this is a daytime. Some people using this like a tinted moisturizer, but it's not. It's gonna give you very sheer tint on your face. And for eye, I have a sample Estee Lauder eye cream. It's nighttime repair. It's a very good hydrating, and it's have like a gel texture, and it's feel very small, and I like to use under my eyes and on top of my eyes. Okay, let's put this on my skin. Eye cream it's done. Let's do concealer, foundation. I need to make the skin looks flawless, and you know, girls, I know how to make my skin look good, right? Skincare it's done, and let's put foundation, concealer to make my skin flawless. Okay, it's a brand new. I just bought this from Nordstrom. It's a palette from MAC, and I use it a lot, but I never own this. First of all, look at this. It's a concealer and corrector for your face, and it's coming three, I believe, different colors. But what I like it, we have here is like peach color, yellow color, little bit darker. Basically, if you actually travel, you don't even want to use your foundation, you can just use this as a foundation, concealer, again, to cover your spots. And you know what, let's I'm gonna use this color right here with my finger, and I'm just gonna apply underneath, and you can see how good, and it's creamy, it's rich, but it's not like too rich. It's not gonna melt under your eyes, and it's really good. And like if you have a very dark eye, on the eyes you have a peachy color will correct. If you have a redness, you have yellow color, it's correct. I think I will maybe will have a video just for this product. Okay, let me finish this and then we'll put foundation. For my foundation, I'm using double wear, full coverage, fragrance free. It's one of my favorite foundation and don't give me any breakouts. And look at one side and another. It's a huge difference. And now we're gonna open this beautiful palette. If you're traveling, it's perfect. If you don't like mess in the house, it's perfect. $98, girls. And remember, it's refillable. You can choose any Trish McEvoy colors and add here because it is this palette refillable. What do we have? We have here powder, bronze and blush. Let's see. I'm gonna use all these 4 products right now on my skin. I have a big brush from Trish McEvoy and it's a powder brush and it's transparent powder. It's white. I apply basically on this brush. And now I'm gonna set my makeup. And it looks really good and very natural. Now I'm gonna use small tiny Trish McEvoy brush and I'm gonna set my concealer under my eyes. Very little, do not apply too much. Now we're gonna use a bronze and this is our bronze. From your ear to your lips, it's just halfway, and then I'm gonna apply close to my hairline, like 1, 2, 3, and underneath. So pretty. Okay, bronze it's here, and I'm gonna use big brush, and I'm gonna just little bit soft my bronze. And now it's time to use a blush. We have 2 blushes here and I actually like to mix them together. And I apply a little bit above of my bronze. Oh, so pretty. Now I'm gonna put little bit highlighter from Becca and it's color Champagne. Yeah, it's time to celebrate. Again, I love this Trish McEvoy palette. Do not wait. You see, you buy right away. It's $98. It's linked below, or you can go to like all products are listed below. You can go to my Instagram and you will see link it, you click, it's one take you to YouTube area link and another will take you to my shop. This is so pretty. Now I'm gonna fill my eyebrows and then we're gonna make my eyes it's even more pretty with this beautiful eyeshadow palette. Again, it's so pretty. Eyebrows it's done and let's start using this eyeshadow palette. Again, remember all these colors it's refillable. When you finish you can buy just 1 or 2 or choose different color. We're gonna start with this color. It's a matte color, it's a little bit peachy color. All names it's in the bottom, and again it's a matte color. I use in Trish McEvoy blending brush, and I'm just gonna apply kind of on the entire my eyelid, just right here, and I go up. Again, this is my peachy color. Very look soft, very look pretty. Again, it's matte. And I forgot to mention, before my eyeshadow, I did use my favorite MAC eyeshadow primer. I put on entire my eyelid. But again, look at just one color, how look pretty this. Now I'm gonna clean a little bit my brush and we're gonna use a second color in this palette, and it's a little bit like a brown color, but it's very soft color. Second color I'm gonna apply right here on the corner of my eye, and I pushing product up, 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 making is my middle color. And I want you to look at two eyes. This is where is my second color again, corner. I push it like to my suckle area and go little bit higher. And you can see two eyes, one with two colors and one with one. Now I have a little bit smaller brush. I'm gonna use the second color again. I'm just gonna put little bit underneath, and really good blend. It's gonna make my eye much more bigger and will pop my eyes. Now I have small tiny brush, and we're gonna use this beautiful purple color. It's not too intense, it's actually like kind of very soft, and I'm gonna apply it underneath close to my lashes, really little, just small like purple pop, but it's not gonna be like purple. We're almost done. Now I'm gonna use a small blending brush from North, and we're gonna use this darker color, and I think you already got it. We're gonna put in the corner on my crease and little bit make like more dimension here. I applying close to my lashes, like kind of halfway. I don't went all the way in the corner, just halfway close to my lashes, and I'm just gonna little bit blend on the corner. Oh yeah, we're almost done. Look at how pretty, how natural. It's like not looks like I spent too much time. I really like matte eyeshadow, but after 40 my vision is a little bit drop. I need a big brush, and you need to if you have little bit problem with vision. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna just little bit blend all this eyeshadow just like this. Voila! Now I have a small tiny brush. Where is my small tiny brush? This brush, it's named Everything by Trish McEvoy, and we're gonna use this second light color. It's have a little bit shimmer, but it's not like too shimmer. And I'm gonna put on the corner of my eye right here. Little bit like pop. It's not like too much shimmer. And I also gonna use where under my brow bone. Ooh, look how pretty, how lift my eyes. And you know what, if you don't want to do anything else, it's fine, because it's already pretty. And like, I don't want to use any more eyeshadow, but I do have still few colors so pretty, and I will use, but just to show you how you can use almost whole this entire palette. But if this is already pretty, like probably I will just put right now mascara, liquid eyeliner, and I'm ready to go. But one more color is this one next to purple. I'm gonna use with my finger, and I'm gonna apply on the center of my eye, and it's so pretty shimmer. Ooh. And I'm coming little bit close to you. I want you to look at one my eye and another. Here, this is where I have my shimmer, and this is where I do not have shimmer, and you decide which one I prefer, but they're both very pretty. Now it's time to curl my lashes, and I'm using Laura Mercier Lash Curler. Okay, now I'm gonna use liquid eyeliner, and it's a Clinique liquid eyeliner, and then I'm gonna use Trish McEvoy mascara on my bottom, because it's a tubing mascara. It's never runs, it's never like make like sometimes client will come, Xiaomi mascara, which one not runs, because I always have raccoon eyes. You actually have, I have a little bit trick. I can use any mascara, but I like to put Trish McEvoy mascara on top. Like basically you seal your mascara and prevent from running. And again, it's a tubing mascara. This is one, it's a curling, lash curl, but we also have high definition, I believe. It's also tubing mascara. Okay. Oh my god, liquid eyeliner. Then I'm gonna put primer from Lancome, mascara from Trish McEvoy, and maybe I will put false lashes. Probably I am. And we're finishing this look with MAC lipstick, and it's color Twig. It's one of the best #1 selling lipstick from MAC. Then for my lip liner, I'm gonna use Chanel #164, and then I want my lips to look juicy, sexy. We're gonna use today lip injection maximizer from Too Faced. This is will plump my lips, I promise you. I love this lip color. Don't even need lip gloss because it's already pretty, but you know what? It's gonna make this lip gloss my lips more bigger, more sexy. Ooh. You can see it's a big difference. Yes, this lip gloss again from Too Faced will give you this tingling. It's really will plump your lips. Okay guys, again, love you more than ice cream, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everybody.